What's the meaning of cosmetically? Cosmetically. Cosmetically.
Cosmetically. Cosmetically. Cosmetically refers to the appearance or surface level of something, typically in reference to enhancing or improving it for aesthetic purposes. For example, a building may be cosmetically renovated with new paint and adornments to make it look more modern or attractive. Similarly, cosmetic surgery is focused on improving the outward appearance of a person's body. However, these changes are primarily cosmetic in nature and do not necessarily address underlying structural or functional issues. Ultimately, the goal of a cosmetic procedure or renovation is to improve the appearance of something without major changes to its foundational structure.